Hello there. You must be wondering, who the fuck is this guy? What the fuck is he doing? Well, I'm gonna explain that to you. I am Wijnand. I am a software developer that loves to travel, backpack, kitesurf. I'm 27 years old, and this year I started an agency, a software development agency, and I set the goal to myself. I want to help 100,000 developers to reach their full potential. So my idea is this. I want to build a mafia game with you guys, a game that we can build together in React Native. This way, you will all become very professional React Native developers and make a lot of money in the process. Doesn't that sound awesome? But yeah, you must be wondering, how am I gonna do that? Well, I will show that to you. So this is MasterCrimeZ. MasterCrimeZ is a game you can play on your computer and on your phone because it's built by React Native. React Native is a cross-functional, cross-platform framework developed by Facebook in 2015. They open sourced it. And yeah, I think it's currently the best choice. Before React Native, there were PhoneGap, Xamarin, and Ionic, and even before that, you had to use the native code for native iOS and Android. If you want to build an app, you had to build it twice. But now we have to choose between Flutter and React Native. And last year I started this project, so I chose React Native, and I chose it because Flutter was still very young and not a very big community. So yeah, as you can see, Flutter has 125,000 stars, while React Native has less stars. So it seems that Flutter is bigger, but actually there is a lot more possible with React Native because of one amazing thing, and that's called Expo. We're using Expo for this project, and this is what it looks like. You have the map here. You can do crimes, you can go to buildings, you can do all sorts of things. And yeah, currently there's a lot of people playing in Dutch, but yeah, that doesn't matter. You are all English, and I'm gonna teach it to you in English. And I hope that you will also make an account and let me know what you think of the game, how we can improve it together, because I'm gonna teach you exactly what you need to know to improve this game, and then you become a really good full stack React Native and Node.js developer. I didn't tell you about Node.js yet, by the way. Node.js is the backend language we're using. It's also JavaScript. And yeah, it's very easy to make something with React Native, a REST API that talks to a Node.js database backend using a MySQL database. So that's all I wanted to say. So yeah, let's get building. Let's get building.